but this is not a business that we are doing.
Okay, so how far do you think, Ashwin, this is possible to go just like this? Like, if you don't monetize, if you don't think about realizing business out of it?
Being in Bangalore for a very long time, even I was a party freak, and हमारा weekends ऐसा ही होता था. Party, party, party. It started with party, ended with party. So, ये हटा भी सकते हैं.
No, I
No,
think
you
people should
yeah,
see the shift.
yes.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Richa Garg Talk Show. Today we have two such dynamic people जिन्होंने हमारे जगह को totally अपने music, humming and the so-called jamming sessions से पूरी wave में cover कर रखा है. They are a couple in real life and they make a great pair on stage also. Please welcome Ashwin and Prakriti. They're bringing a beautiful new wave of music, one that blends rhythm, soul, and a touch of spirituality. Let's dive into this story and the magic behind this whole movement. Welcome Ashwin and welcome Prakriti to the show. We're so happy to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Richa.
With the kind of sensation you've created in our city, I have a lot of things to know what's there on your mind, what's there in your vision, and let the world know about it. So, welcome. So happy to have you. Tell me something. You both are pretty young, and you've already taken the city by the whole new wave of jamming. So, how did you join Art of Living? How did you become a part of it? What is your story to beginning this journey?
The music journey actually began when I started doing Art of Living.
Okay.
In 2013, it was my friend Sahil who pushed me into it. But before doing the course, it was actually the music, the satsang, the bhajan that we do in Art of Living. It attracted me.
Yeah.
And the modern way, the youth catchy music, the guitar and the drums. So I thought that bhajans can be attractive and nice. So
Yeah.
it pushed me to do something like this. Yeah.
Okay. And how did you think about this jamming, these jamming sessions?
In reality, I have always been doing jamming from my school days, in my college days. We jam with our friends,
With our
right?
friends, yes.
Backstage में जब सामने क्लासेस चल रही है, हम जैम प्रैक्टिस बोलकर हम क्लास से निकल जाते थे, फिर बैक स्टेज बैठ के जैमिंग करते थे. तो वी हैव ऑलवेज बीन डूइंग दिस, बट क्योंकि अब वी आर डूइंग इट इन मास, कि अब पता चल रहा है कि अच्छा ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
हाँ.
सो
And
जैमिंग इज
people are
समथिंग.
actually loving it.
Yeah.
या
But how did this idea come कि चलो सिलीगुड़ी में ऐसे jamming sessions रखते हैं और लोगों को बुलाते हैं और मजा आएगा? How did this come to you?
I have been doing satsang since quite a long time, but I always wanted to do with youth of Siliguri and the places around. So it was then that my wife Prakriti, she told me that let's do this with a thought that we need to attract youth in such a way जहाँ पे ऐसे जगह पे jamming करते हैं या फिर ऐसे जगह पे बैठते हैं जहाँ पे youth naturally आते हैं, जैसे cafes.
Yeah.
तो हम कैफे में करना शुरू किया. We started pitching and they started liking the idea. हमने first event किया. We targeted around 70 and we got 87 registrations. Second event में we targeted 100. We got 140 registrations.
Wow.
And every time we saw a huge wave of new faces. And the third was in 2.5 Mile Cafe.
Yeah.
So it was again the same thing that we really got a good response. It was then that we realized that this will click.
Okay.
So he always used to tell me कि प्रकृति लोग जब मुझे सुन के enjoy करते हैं ना, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. This is something, after a long day of work, if I am singing and I see people closing their eyes, crying, smiling, dancing, it is something that I look up to.
Yeah.
And that was the thing. When I forced him into this, कि नहीं, let's do it, Ashwin, let's just do it.
Okay. So Prakriti, you're a CA by profession,
Yes.
and you're working pretty much in your profession. So
Yeah.
how is this taking you, and how did it fascinate you?
So I have been hearing Ashwin since last 12 years now. We have been married for 4 years. And his voice was the thing which attracted me towards him.
Yeah.
So
Naturally.
yeah, so it was in a CA orientation course where after the course he was actually singing and I went up to him and approached him कि मुझे और सुनना है, I want to hear you more. So I always thought he has this in him. After our marriage, I started realizing why isn't he taking it up as a profession. So yeah, वो दिमाग में हमेशा से था. So वो that build up over 10 years, that built up, and I just said him कि नहीं, this is something, this is a power that you have.
Yeah,
So,
totally.
Yes, this is a blessing. Not everyone, आपकी आवाज़ को सुन के अगर इतने लोगों को अच्छा लग रहा है तो हम उसे और सुनाएंगे. So that was the thing, yes.
So nice, yeah. That's what a partner does to you.
Definitely.
Yeah, empowers you. So tell me something. How did you bring spirituality into your life beyond your satsang or meditation? Like, do you feel like kuch aisa tha which gave you a message that you're like spiritually aligned maybe, or there's a call for you? Or is it just like totally a practical thing for you ki?
I was always a spiritual person. Like बचपन से मम्मी मेरे को ऐसे सत्संग जब होते थे तो मेरे को लेकर जाती थी. फिर घर पे 4 लोग आते थे गेस्ट, तो शी यूज्ड टू मेक मी सिंग भजन्स.
हाँ, okay, हाँ.
तो आई थिंक आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. बट देन इवन अब ऐसा लगता है दैट आई वाज नेवर इनटू टॉक्सिक्स और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. आई नेवर एंजॉयड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. Even if I have done it, it is not that I practice it or I want to do it. I don't.
Yeah.
Because I think that meditation and singing itself is a spirituality. The feeling that you get after singing and
Yeah.
seeing people uplift their space of mind and everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah. So I think beyond music, beyond meditation, the life itself is a spirituality, very spiritual process. For
So you were very mindful from a very young age, I feel. Like if you could understand how
I
to like
don't
take
know.
a step away.
I don't know.
I feel so, like with what you said, I certainly feel so. So tell me something, how did you think about the idea of jamming only specifically over any other kind of musical expressions जो आजकल चलते हैं, like everyone's doing and trying hundreds of ways of entertaining the youth and getting them to them. And of course, because you've been into music since a very young age, I'm sure you know of a lot of other ways also to attract the youth towards you. So jamming evening hours में with Bolly and some satsang, ये जो अच्छी combination आपने बनाई है, how did, like, is it like a practice? Have you tried some things and seen what is working and सबका एक अच्छा मिश्रण बना के दिया जाए लोगों को, कि कहाँ से आया ये?
क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से गाता था, मेरे को लोग बोलते थे आप इंडियन आइडल पे क्यों नहीं जाते, आप सारेगामापा. बट मेरे को कभी भी ऐसी चीजें फैसिनेट नहीं करती थी जहाँ पे कंपटीशन हो. मतलब मे बी आई एम नॉट बिल्ट दैट वे. एंड वेरी रिसेंटली आई रियलाइज दैट I never in fact realized that I can do this. Even today when I'm doing a program or jamming with hundreds of people, I don't feel like I'm performing because my concept is such that I don't want to perform.
Yeah.
I want to be a part of the audience. That is why the musical jamming comes. Jamming happens when 4 of our friends sit together and sing together.
Yeah.
And that is how the Together Out Loud, the name of our jamming
Together Out
band, it has come out.
Yeah.
मतलब ये ऐसा है, it is a very gradual process.
So it's very candid for you. I think जो आपने enjoy किया है खुद, you've just shared
Yes,
it with the world.
Exactly.
कि आप लोग भी करो enjoy.
So whenever we used to go out, see some live singers singing in a club or anywhere, so I used to tell him, Ashwin, इससे अच्छा तो तुम गाते हो, let's क्यों नहीं कर रहे हैं? And then he used to be, नहीं प्रकृति, I don't want this कि people around me are high on alcohol or whatever, and I am singing, I never want to do this. And then that idea suddenly popped up, तो ठीक है ना, फिर कैफे में करते हैं जहाँ पे
है ही नहीं ऐसी intoxication. Yeah.
और अगर है भी तो हम अपने सेशन के टाइम में we will not promote it. We will keep it very clear that we'll do it without any toxics or anything. So that was one thing that clicked.
So nice. So tell me something now, because it's such a new thing. Of course, it's not so new these days because a lot of 7 a.m. clubs and coffee raves and these kinds of things are coming up. But कभी-कभी ऐसा लगता है कि instead of like feeling and getting that connection from the audience, you tend to look out for some kind of validation because it's just like such a new concept. कि कभी while you're performing, or maybe you're just looking at the crowd and फीलिंग कि नहीं समझ पा रहे ये लोग मैं जो कर रहा हूँ होता है ऐसा?
हाँ, वैलिडेशन तो देखिए नहीं चाहते हुए भी चाहिए, सो दैट मैं खुद पहचान पाऊँ कि मैं और कैसे इम्प्रूव कर सकूँ। नहीं तो इट विल लाइक एक पॉइंट पे सैचुरेशन आ जाएगा, फिर लोगों को लगेगा कि यार वही हो रहा है। I need to grow. If I want to take this forward, I need to grow. उसके लिए वैलिडेशन चाहिए somewhere, even if it is little, I want a validation. अब हर इवेंट से पहले I prepare a script कि मेरे को इस गाने के बाद ये गाना गाना है।
And you never do that.
But while I am singing, it's all haywire and I sing what I want to sing.
Or what the audience wants us to
I
sing.
think audience wants me to sing
and you
that
get
song.
that vibe.
Yes.
So you like to go with the
I
vibe.
like to go with the flow.
Yeah. And how is it for you? Like, is it like कभी आप stage पे नहीं हो and you're there as an audience and you're probably evaluating कि audience का क्या mood है, कैसा emotion है, what songs are taking them on a high and
That's what. So
जाके
मेरा
इसको
phone
feedback
हमेशा ready रहता है कि अश्विन ये वाला गाना should be the next। आग दिखाती हूँ मैं अभी यही गाओ। So I just keep because मुझे पीछे से आवाज़ आ रही होती है ये वाला गाना ये वाला गाना। Even after the session, I try to go to people, ask them how did they feel, what was their experience. We try to record that, of course. So and then I come home and tell him, अश्विन पता है इसने ऐसा बोला, इनको बहुत अच्छा लगा, they attended for the first time, इन्होंने इतना भी पूछा कि when is your next session. So वो validation I keep collecting and I keep telling it to him that this actually happened. During the session I try to observe, even if I'm on this side, that side doesn't matter, but I just try to observe how people are reacting to to the songs and what are they actually liking, so that we can do a repeat of that song in the next event. So I keep doing that. Being an auditor, I have a keen eyes to see the
so you use your profession and your passion.
Yes, that comes with the profession. Yes.
So when you all started, do you all feel like there was some set of challenges in some way or the other show up कर रहे थे, like you had to overcome those challenges कि एक इतना set phenomenon हो गया enjoy करने का amongst the youth में भी, और अब suddenly ये है, तो ये challenge कहीं ना कहीं से घूम फिर के आ ही जाते हैं.
I'm very surprised to know that I have faced no challenge as of now, especially when we are doing on a Friday nights, Saturday nights.
Wow.
And जो हमारे audience है, they are mostly age group होता है 18 to 35, 18 to 45 ऐसे. And these people would rather go to a pub than coming to a soulful jamming session.
Yeah.
But it was such a surprise for me to see a bunch of people coming
Young
on a Saturday
especially.
night. Young people especially coming for a Saturday evening for a jamming session. This was the biggest challenge I thought I would have, but I did not.
Yeah.
So it shows that how the society wants to get out of it and how they wants to.
Yeah. I think everyone's quite saturated. A lot of what we do is also because of peer pressure, I feel.
Exactly.
कि एक दोस्त ऐसा है ग्रुप में जो बोल रहा है अरे चल क्या सोएगा,
Right.
चलते हैं ना, आ जाएंगे.
Correct.
So it's such a nice thing that you're bringing about a change in the trend, because not just the youth, of course, but I think the parents of the youth also seem to be very happy with you, because उनके बच्चे एक loud जगह नहीं जाकर एक अच्छी जगह जाके they themselves also feel peaceful and calm, and then that's the energy they will also radiate in a long term, which pretty much all of us understand. So tell me, what is your vision? Where do you see yourself maybe after 1 year, 1.5 years? किस गोल के टुवर्ड्स चल रहे हो आप लोग?
This is the most difficult
It
question.
looks like it with the kind of look you both exchanged.
I don't know. I am just doing what I feel like doing.
जहाँ जिंदगी ले जाए
Right,
बहते
right.
चलेंगे.
Very recently, I had a word with some astrologer,
Okay.
and he told me he told me कि आपको यही करना है, मतलब and I resonate what he was saying. He told me you're a man who goes with the flow. It's like a बंजारा वाला जो एक mentality होती है. It's like that. So I connect with him and I मतलब मेरे को लगा कि यार मैं पहले भी यही करता था और आज भी मैं यही कर रहा हूँ. I'm just going with the flow. And लोग जुड़ रहे हैं, मतलब automatically they are coming forward. They want to hear me more. They want to sing along more. So I think इससे मतलब प्लानिंग सबकी धज्जियां उड़ जाती है. हम इतने बड़े बड़े प्लान्स बना के रखे थे 5 साल पहले, आज कहाँ है वो प्लान्स? life takes you where it has to take you.
Where it has to take you. So, you know, Ashwin and Prakriti, the one thing I often hear people saying is कि हम meditate करना चाहते हैं, पर हम meditate कर नहीं पाते. We naturally want to give a part of it to maybe the internet world and the screens that have come up, and a lot of it to ourselves also, because हम restless scrolling बहुत ज़्यादा करने लग गए हैं. Mindless scrolling जिसको बोलते हैं. So even when people are actually sitting to meditate, they feel like they don't have the focus to even focus for 2 minutes or 30 seconds also, for that matter. Do you feel that this new movement that you started will also help people in some ways to connect with their inner self? Maybe not meditation, but maybe like we meditate also to connect with our inner self. अंदर की आवाज़ सुन पाए. So do you also feel like this has a bigger outcome than what people are realizing, or maybe are you thinking of giving them those outcomes?
100%, because whatever sessions we've done till now and the feedbacks I hear, लोगों ने ऐसा भी बोला है हम तो बस आधे घंटे के लिए आए थे just because you know हमें और कहीं जाना था and we had that time, so we have come for the event or for the jamming session, but we actually sat for the entire 2 hours because वो अंदर से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था that we are you know in a full voice, we are singing and you know you are singing our favorite songs and we are shouting and having fun. So that is one thing you know which makes us happy कि this, I feel this is a meditation. When you sit in a jamming session, I don't know how Ashwin feels being on the other side of the stage, but on this side, it's like a complete, you know, loud but a very silent aura, you know, silence inside you, because people connect to music. Music is something बचपन से बॉलीवुड सुनते आए हैं. Now we are getting भजन into Bollywood. So वो आप suddenly देखोगे जैसे ही भजन start होता है ना, the vibe changes. It shoots up like this, you know, like we are singing Ram Ram Jai Raja Ram. You will see even 3-year-old, 4-year-old kids doing, you know, Ram Ram Jai Raja Ram, and it feels so good ki, you know, so that is how people are connecting to their inner self, right? So it is a kind of meditation, is what I feel.
Yeah.
Also, we have noticed, अगर किसी ने मुझे कुछ गलत बोल दिया, आपको किसी ने कोई गाली दे दी या कुछ ऐसा कुछ बोल दिया, it stays with you for long, no? आप सोचते रहते हो कि इस बंदे ने मेरे को ऐसा क्यों बोला. आप कितने सालों तक उसको अपने दिमाग में लेकर चलते रहते हो. मे बी यू वॉन्ट रिवेंज और यू वॉन्ट टू आंसर देम बैक इन सम वे और द अदर, बट यू कैरी दैट वाइब्रेशन, व्हाट ही इज टोल्ड, दैट नेगेटिव वाइब्रेशन, राइट? इन द सेम वे व्हेन वी सिंग आउट लाउड, द पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन डज इम्पैक्ट. आज नारायण आज गलत गालियां बोलते हैं तो वो आपके दिमाग में अगर रहता है, तो सोचिए अगर हम नारायण बोलते हैं, शिव बोलते हैं, राधा बोलते हैं, तो वो आपके दिमाग में कितना मल्टीफोल्ड बेनिफिट्स ला कर देता होगा. तो देयर इज डेफिनेटली द गुड फील, ऑल्सो देयर इज साइंस बिहाइंड इट.
Absolutely. Also, I feel like when you're doing these jamming sessions, you are singing, so the ears are involved. People are singing, so the mouth is involved, and they're seeing you also.
Correct.
So basically, you're involving a lot of organs in the jamming session, for which it also gets deeper.
We clap, so all sensory organs are involved. Yes.
So now that this new trend जो आया है, ये 7 AM clubs and coffee raves और ये सब का, what do you think it is? Is it like maybe you know बस एक नई चीजें आई हैं with young artists? Do you think it's like social media marketing कि इतना hype हो गया है? Or are you feeling like there's a change in the youth that is coming? There's a genuine drive and a willingness for the upcoming people now, or maybe the youth who were there earlier also and now they're different. Their drive is only changing. What do you think is it? Do you think like it's just a trend which will phase out eventually?
No, it's not a trend. I think we are going back to the healthier lifestyle now. We want to go back to 7 AM early morning walks, and we want to go to that healthy lifestyle because we are realizing कि हम गलत चल रहे हैं.
हाँ. We are doing a lot of clean eating. उसपे भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. पहले सब कोई बोलते थे जो भी खाओ क्या है?
नहीं.
खाओ बस. यंग हो खाओ. क्या सोचते हो?
पहले नुक्कड़ में हर शाम को लोग बैठकर भजन कीर्तन करते थे. हम वही कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
बस वो सोशल मीडिया में थोड़ा पॉपुलराइज हो रहा है. So ultimately we are going back in time.
We're bringing back our ritual and our tradition from where we grew.
100%.
And you think this is going to last now? It's not going to like phase out.
Yeah. I don't know how will it go. It will last or not last. I don't know. But the society is moving towards it. That is like very evident.
Yeah. Do you also feel the same, Prakriti?
Yes, because I see Gen
Gen
Zs, yeah.
Gen Z is
Much
enjoying
talked
this, yes. So, being in a corporate culture also, कभी ऐसे Gen Zs होते हैं ना, हम 6 बजे के बाद काम नहीं करेंगे, हमें पार्टी करने जाना है. I see those people taking interest in, coming for the jamming and volunteering for the jamming sessions.
Okay.
वो खुद आके बोलते हैं कुछ काम है प्रकृति तो हमें बताओ, we want to do it. तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मतलब एक्चुअली फील होता है कि हाँ कुछ तो कर रहे हैं. एंड वी वांट मोर एंड मोर यंग जनरेशन पीपल टू गेट कनेक्टेड टू इट. उनके बाद जेंजी के बाद वाला जनरेशन भी आई थिंक इट्स अ ह्यूज शिफ्ट. हमारा भी थॉट प्रोसेस बहुत चेंज हुआ है. बीइंग इन बैंगलोर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम, इवन आई वाज अ पार्टी फ्रीक एंड हमारा वीकेंड्स ऐसा ही होता था. पार्टी it started with party, ended with party. So ये हटा भी सकते हैं.
No, I think people should see the shift.
Yes.
But Ashwin knows this shift. He's known me for 12-13 years now. So अब ऐसा लगता है कि इससे बेटर कुछ नहीं हो सकता है.
Yeah.
That 2 hours और जब लोग बोलते हैं ना भैया लास्ट गाना, भैया जब भैया सुनते हैं तो मतलब वो हमसे छोटे हैं ऑफ कोर्स, एंड हमसे छोटे मतलब वो जेनजीज हैं, तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मतलब अच्छा, दे वांट टू हियर मोर भजन. हम सॉन्ग सजेशंस लेते हैं यूजुअली ड्यूरिंग आवर बिफोर आवर सेशन और ड्यूरिंग द रजिस्ट्रेशन. आप बिलीव नहीं करोगे कितने चन होते हैं जिनका आता है भजन्स. बहुत अच्छे भजन्स होते हैं जो यंग जनरेशन लिख के भेजते हैं, तो देख के बहुत अच्छा लगता है. अच्छा, बॉलीवुड नहीं सुन के दे वांट टू हियर
सुनने,
जो उनको भजन सुनना है, तो बहुत इट्स अ वेरी गुड फीलिंग.
आप अपनी एक यूएसपी को क्या सोचते हो कि दिस इज गोइंग टू ऑलवेज सेट अस अपार्ट?
I think it's better we don't have a USP because we need to take everybody along. अगर हमारे competitors भी आते हैं तो let's do it together. It's like that. तो हमें we don't want to set ourselves apart. We want to be a part of everyone. So वही हम उसी movement में जा रहे हैं ना. We are आप इसको revolution बोल लो या movement बोल लो, but this is not a business that we are doing. This is something that a change that we want to create in the society.
Okay, so how far do you think, Ashwin, this is possible to go just like this? Like if you don't monetize, if you don't think about realizing business out of it, do you think it's
not that
sustainable?
It's not that we are not making business out of it. We're definitely charging people the tickets. And 500 is a good amount.
Yeah.
आज 300 रुपए में we can go.
Yeah, because for the kind of people who are turning up, also 500 into 100.
Yes.
Yeah.
And 100 is the minimum
people.
of the crowd.
Yeah.
The events that we have done and that we are planning to do.
हाँ.
500-600 लोग भी we are targeting. 1000 लोग में भी. So we'll monetize and we'll earn because I have a family to run and we have a lavish lifestyle.
वो तो करना ही पड़ेगा.
हाँ, लेकिन ये गलत नहीं है. अगर आप सेवा से अपनी फैमिली चला रहे हो और लोगों को अपलिफ्ट कर रहे हो, तो इसमें कौन बोलता है कि क्या सही और क्या गलत?
Absolutely.
मुझे नहीं लगता ये कर रहा हो तो कोई टैबू है कि मैं भजन गा के पैसे बना रहा हूँ. नहीं.
Not at all.
It's not that I am not monetizing. I do monetizing, but back of the mind there is a vision.
Yeah.
And the vision is to create a society which is toxic free.
Toxic free.
अगर मेरा उसमें कुछ भी योगदान रहा, anything that I can do is the little that whatever we are doing, it's a bare minimum that we are doing.
Yeah.
And someone recently told us, which hit me, कि passion को profession बहुत कम लोग बनाते हैं.
हाँ.
And it's a big thing अगर तुम लोग ये कर रहे हो तो that really hit me hard. कि बहुत लोग को पसंद नहीं होता है जॉब करना या काम करना, still they do it because they have a family to run and of course. But जब ये लाइन सुना तो मेरे को लगा अश्विन ये तो बहुत अच्छी बात है.
Absolutely. Yeah. It's actually difficult also because we don't know how to make passion profession.
Course,
like we always have the mindset कि ये तो हम मजे के लिए करते हैं. हम ये नहीं सोचते वो मजे को कैसे monetize कर सकते हैं. So let's look at a bigger picture. And how do you feel like this one movement that you started from Siliguri is going to make a contribution in maybe our nation's revolutionary movement, because of course there are a lot of bands that are coming up in bigger cities also, who are doing these kinds of jamming sessions, who are doing these kinds of toxic free events. They do a lot of book clubs. Even our city has a book
Yes.
club, and they promote a lot of kind of true learning and true entertainment, which does not support any kind of artificial substances. So looking at a larger picture and getting out of our city, what is the one thing you feel कि अगर if you are given the opportunity कि ये एक चीज़ को मैं totally carry over करना चाहूँगा and आगे ले जाना चाहूँगा, if it's going to take our country to another level from wherever we are right now, considering the youth of our country right now, to maybe another 5 years, 7 years.
Yeah, definitely. Like we have seen Western countries adopting the music that we make.
Yeah.
आज जैसे आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग में ही गुरुदेव जिस कंट्रीज में उनका प्रेजेंस है, वहाँ पे लैक्स ऑफ पीपल दे कम फॉर द सत्संग, दे सिंग राधे कृष्णा इन देयर ओन वोकैबुलरी, इन देयर ओन स्टाइल. So yeah, definitely we are being a part of that revolution, and it will go like big. We will be traveling to Europe very soon, and then we have a event planned there.
Wow.
In Croatia. So people are really eager to hear Indian music. And
Absolutely. I totally validate it, because I think one of Art of Living Satsang even I have attended in London.
Great.
And yeah, I could totally believe each and every word that you're saying, that the vibe is something else, and it feels another level of satisfaction to see the Brits and
100%.
people who are not our nationals
And they look so innocent when they're singing it.
Yeah.
They're trying to speak Narayan and Krishna and
that
Shiva.
surrender is also totally there.
Agree.
Yeah. Okay, so how do you think this profession is taking over you as a couple? So Prakriti, you are totally into a different profession. You're a CA and you are into travels. And now suddenly you've come together and are working towards these jamming sessions. So लगता है ऐसे कभी कि कोई चीज़ों में difference in opinion होते हैं, तो कभी clash होते हैं, या कभी लगता है कि हाय मेरी बात सुन ले, ये तो ज़्यादा अच्छा हो. Do you have these kinds of couple things also?
100%. So
and how do you overcome it then?
I dominate, of course. एक सुननी पड़ेगी. So I keep complaining, Ashwin, मैं double shift कर रही हूँ. Still you're not paying me anything. It's very bad. So you know, of course, वो मजाक में होता है. But you know, at times मुझे personally ऐसा feel होता है साथ में काम करने से I'm getting to know him more, because being into a corporate world, मेरे पास Monday to Friday we don't have time to even sit and eat together, to be very honest. तो हमें weekends मिलते थे जब हम साथ में chill करते थे. Now our weekends are gone because we are doing this. So you know, Saturday का event है, तो Friday से लेके Saturday तक we are all busy. Saturday night we are so tired that we come home, we don't even talk, we don't even discuss. अच्छा इतने लोग register किए थे. It happens all on a Sunday, right? So अब Sundays भी ऐसा हो गया that Prakriti इनसे मिलना है, उनसे मिलना है. Like Ashwin, our personal time is gone. अभी इसको plan करना पड़ेगा. Like, and then he will say अभी बहुत नया है ना Prakriti, अभी सब channelize हो जाएगा.
And then it will
bigger
fall.
team, and then maybe we will have time. And like, yeah, okay. So yes, that front we are compromising on a little, but it's fun to, you know, actually understand how he thinks, and you know,
you get to know the professional perspective also.
100%, yes. And then sometimes ये आके बोलता है प्रकृति हमें ऐसा करना चाहिए, नहीं करना चाहिए, रुको अभी. So you know, he will never go out of way and do it because I have told him not to do it. So,
How nice.
So, yeah, that way is being very cooperative. So.
Because this is the only team that I have, I cannot let it go.
And you'd rather surrender to it.
Yeah, so that way I have been lucky that he listens. Okay, हाँ कुछ बोल रही है तो कुछ सोच के बोल रही है, तो yeah, that way.
Okay. So we'll do a quick rapid fire with you, and we'll expect one options only. So crowd energy or quiet focus?
Quiet focus.
Really? After the jamming
Crowd
session?
energy.
Old classics or new originals?
Old classics.
Okay. Short practice or long deep sessions?
Short
Short
practice.
Early morning jam or late night vibe?
Late night vibe.
That's what soulful evenings
Yes.
are about. Open mic or private jam sessions?
Private jam sessions.
Always.
Yes.
Coffee or chai while jamming?
Chai.
Chai? Both of you are chai people. I think you're one of the rarest couple to opt for the same beverage. I think each couple has one opting for coffee, to dusra
Yes.
for chai. Favorite instrument to play?
Guitar.
Guitar. And do you also play guitar,
No,
Prakriti?
I don't. I have always, wanted to learn it, but patience nahi hai mujh mein.
Okay. And the last song that gave you goosebumps?
Lag Ja Gale.
Yeah? So can we hear a few words from Lag Ja Gale?
Sure. हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये बात हो ना हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो ना हो, लग जा गले से.
Wow, it did give me goosebumps for sure. Thank you so much, Ashwin, and thank you so much, Prakriti, for
Thank
taking
you.
out the time and being with us here.
Thank you so much, Richa. Keep doing what you are doing.
Thank you.